Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that we found online. If you're interested, we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Introducing the Gepege LED Light Stick Kit, a versatile lighting solution designed specifically for video creators. This kit includes two LED light sticks, each equipped with a range of features that elevate your video quality, whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or shooting portraits. One of the standout features of this kit is its adjustable tripod stand. The tripod extends from a height of 27 inches to an impressive 78 inches, making it highly adaptable for various shooting scenarios. The sturdy legs come with a lock designed for added stability, and the premium aluminum alloy construction ensures durability while providing a great feel in your hands. The included 360-degree bendable gooseneck allows you to easily adjust the angle of the lights, giving you flexibility to achieve the perfect lighting for any shot. Now, let's talk about the lighting itself. The Gepege LED light sticks provide a daylight balanced output at 5600 K, featuring 63 LEDs that deliver a high color rendering index (CRI) of 95. This means you can expect accurate color representation, which is crucial for achieving professional-looking videos. The internal diffuser minimizes harsh shadows and ensures a clean, natural light distribution, making your subjects look their best. With a power consumption of just 30 watts, these lights are both energy efficient and capable of dimming from 0% to 100%, allowing for precise control over the brightness through a simple stepless dimmer knob. The kit also includes an exciting array of 9 color filters: pink, blue, green, orange, purple, yellow, red, dark brown, and fluorescent. These filters can instantly transform your lighting setup, enabling creative effects that can enhance your videos and add a unique flair to your content. Whether you want a soft ambience or a vibrant pop of color, these filters give you the tools to express your artistic vision. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a content creator, whether you're a YouTuber, a makeup artist, a live streamer, or even someone who participates in video calls or Zoom meetings, this lighting kit is designed for you. Its adjustable height and versatile light output make it a must-have for anyone looking to improve their video quality. The practical applications of the Gepege LED Light Stick Kit are virtually limitless. Use it for makeup tutorials, product reviews, or fashion shoots. The possibilities are endless. It's also perfect for wedding art, portraits, and even for advertising products effectively. The range of scenarios in which you can use this lighting kit makes it an essential tool in any video creator's arsenal. In terms of setup, the light sticks come with a 1/4-inch thread nut at the end of the tripod, allowing you to mount different types of light equipment if needed. Connecting the light sticks to wall sockets is straightforward, thanks to the included power adapters. Additionally, the design features natural heat dissipation and an overheating protection function, ensuring longevity and safety during use. Finally, the package includes everything you need to get started: 2 LED light sticks, 2 tripod stands, extendable sticks, hot shoe brackets, power adapters, gooseneck tubes, and an assortment of color filter cards. Plus, if you encounter any issues with refunds, returns, or replacements, the customer service team is readily available to assist you. In conclusion, the Gepege LED Light Stick Kit is a powerful lighting solution that can significantly enhance your video production. Its versatility, high-quality light output, and ease of use make it a fantastic investment for anyone serious about creating captivating content. Thanks for watching.